winter time, so that's the first time we are having some flurries, and for me it's terrible. My brother loves that.
Great day to pick up a car,
But I don't like a lot. But today we are picking up something very special. The most important, it's our original car. We are buying this car from the first owner, and I tell you later what it is. It's a beautiful 64 Pontiac Grand Prix with the 421 engine, 4-speed. What is really rare to find in a Grand Prix. So I'm very, very excited, and the blue color, the dark blue, is really a beautiful color, matches perfectly with the car, with the blue interior. Being a survivor, it is the most important. Rare to find in a Grand Prix, especially matching with a 4-speed transmission. You see a lot of automatic because the Grand Prix is supposed to be the luxury car, not the sport car. Oh yeah, we're gonna find the right collector for this car because the car deserves. It's a very special car.
I hope I did not destroy the video.